All right, this is for my new followers. If you do not know the due date versus the closing statement date, you guys, and you have a credit card, this is very important for you to learn. This is my Navy Federal credit card statement. If you guys have any other credit card companies, more than likely I may have that credit card statement. So my payment due date is the 2nd of each month. And my closing statement date, where it says statement closing date, is on the 5th of each month. So the difference between the due date versus the closing statement date, the payment due date is when the payment is due to the credit card company and for your bill that month. The statement closing date is what reports to the credit bureau. So anything between the 2nd and the 5th, I'm not going to use my card because I want to keep a zero balance on this particular credit card. So the way you play the system, the purchases that I made, it was $2,133.60 for last month credit card statement. Okay. I want to zero it out because I want my overall utilization to be 1%. So I paid out the balance in full to zero. I did not use my card until after the 5th. Okay. So you guys learn your closing statement due date.